So, at another car show.
Yes, I love car shows.
There's Jenny over there, waiting to be judged. So, this is quite the spread, y'all.
Yeah, you have to check it out.
Jenny gets a lot of attention. Me? When I come to these shows? Super chill. Just kick back. Just kick back. Super chill.
And then he looked at my car and he does this and he looked at something, deducted points. And he said, well, you're tied with this guy for first.
Nice.
Right now.
Awesome.
Dot every I and cross every T.
Yep.
As I went along.
It gets a lot of attention.
So I didn't have to do it again.
Right.
Jacket for your son.
He is watching. You can't get too close to these cars at
It's
the
just
car
got
show.
the metal, I don't have the wood.
Yeah.
It's just that little square piece of plastic where you got the turn knob.
Yeah.
Can't find that thing online for nothing. So I went to the Spring Fling and I found the whole glove box door, $5 each. And I got
What you're gonna see at the car show, especially in this whack town.
Ooh, it smells like a camel too.
Just because it's here doesn't mean they're.
Do we go out that way? Or
yeah. Like, hey, how much for the whole thing? Take it back.
F y'all. All right, Simi Valley Car Show, St. Rosalima in Simi, 2025. Down on the farm.
Here he comes. He's gonna get you.
There's Eva's cousin. Probably shouldn't step on him. Be careful, llamas, they spit. Actually, I think they're alpacas. Anywho, there are actually cars here in case, and tractors apparently. I probably need to clean all the shit up. Anyway, take you around. I like the animals over here too. It's a bounce house.
yeah.
Makes you want to be a kid again, babe. For all you senior swirlers, this is some of the chili cook-off, and there's other vendors here. You saw animals. They have live music. That's where everybody's sitting. And chili cook-off. You get to
With the police vehicles.
go there with your little cup, and you can try everybody's chili. And then you take the little red chip that you're given when you walk in, and you vote. You can see all the colorful names. Chili Chicks and Hazard Chili. I'm assuming it's hot. And test it and vote for the best. Whoever is the best wins. It's a lot of chili. Hope your stomach can handle it. See ya.
The music in the background belongs to the artist. All rights belong to the artist. This is a car show.
Finally get to see her somewhere.
Hi.